In the vast, twinkling sky, there lived a little star named Sentinel. Sentinel was not like the other stars, for he was a guardian, watching over the earth below. Every night, Sentinel would shimmer brightly, casting a warm, cozy glow that wrapped around the world. He was the first star to shine and the last to fade, acting as a beacon of hope for all the creatures down below. One day, Sentinel noticed a small, frightened bunny lost in the darkness. He knew he had to help, and so he shone his light towards the bunny. The little bunny hopped towards Sentinel, feeling safe and comforted by his warm glow. Sentinel welcomed the bunny, and together they talked about the wonders of the night sky. The bunny learned about the constellations, the moon, and the other stars that twinkled in the sky. As the night went on, Sentinel continued to watch over the earth, ensuring that all the creatures were safe. And the bunny, feeling grateful for Sentinel's help, made a promise to always remember the kindness of the star. One by one, the other stars began to fade, but Sentinel remained, shining brightly until the morning sun rose. As the sun spread its light across the sky, Sentinel took a moment to rest, knowing that he had fulfilled his duty as a guardian. The little bunny, now safe and sound, hopped back home, carrying the memory of Sentinel the star with him. And every night, he would look up at the sky and see Sentinel shimmering brightly, watching over the world. The end.